when students say, we want fair exams, they are demanding fair exams. Let's repeat. Students are demanding fair exams. Imagine this, you're watching the news in English. Suddenly the reporter says, many students are protesting. You understand the word students, but then you think, wait, what does that mean? Protesting. So you stop the video, you open Google, you search for the meaning. Sounds familiar? Well, after today's lesson, you won't need to do that anymore. Because in this next few minutes, you will learn 4 powerful English sentences that are being used in real news right now. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will understand them confidently. So let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Astamita Talks. If you're serious about improving your English, here is one habit that can completely change your learning. Watch the news in English. Why? Because news teaches you real English. The same English that journalists, teachers, students and professionals use every single day. But I know something. Many English learners make one mistake. They hear difficult words and immediately stop listening. Don't do that. Today I'll show you an easier way. We'll understand the meaning together. We'll practice together. And by the end, you will be able to speak these sentences naturally. Ready? Let's begin. Sentence number 1. The first sentence is, many students are protesting. Now, before I explain it, can you guess what do you think protesting means? Protesting means showing that you disagree with something. People gather peacefully because they want change. For example, imagine your school suddenly changes the exam rules just one day before the exam. Many students feel it's unfair. So they come together and ask the school to change the decision. That's called a protest. So we say many students are protesting. Now here is something interesting. When people protest, do you know what usually happens next? Someone has to find out what's really going on. And that's our second sentence. Sentence number 2. The government is investing the issue. Let's make it simple. Investing means trying to discover the truth. It's like solving a mystery. Imagine your teacher finds that some exam papers are missing. Before blaming anyone, the teacher first checks everything carefully. That's called investing. And issue simply means problem. Now say the whole sentence with me. The government is investing the issue. Great. But wait, why are the students protesting in the first place? Let's find out. Sentence number 3. Students demanding fair exam. Here is a simple question. Would you like an easy exam or a fair exam? There is a difference. A fair exam doesn't have to be easy. It simply gives everyone the same opportunity. And demanding means asking strongly for something. So when students say, we want fair exams, they are demanding fair exams. Let's repeat. Students are demanding fair exams. Perfect. Now let's end with a sentence that everyone can agree with. Sentence number 4. Education is important for everyone. Think about it. Whether you are 10 years old, 20 years old or even 60, you can still learn something new. That's the beauty of education. It helps us grow, it helps us communicate, and it gives us more opportunities in life. So let's say it together. Education is important for everyone. Wonderful. Now let's imagine you are talking to your friend. Your friend saying, did you watch today's news? And you say, yes, many students are protesting. And your friend saying, really, why? You say, they are demanding fair exams. Your friend saying, what is the government doing? You say, the government is investing the issue. Friend saying, I hope everything gets better soon. See? You are already having a simple conversation. Before you leave, I have a small challenge for you. Imagine you are a news reporter. Can you write one English sentence about today's news in the comments? Don't worry, if it's not perfect, just try. Because every sentence you write makes your English stronger. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Astamita Talks and press the bell icon. Every week, we'll learn real English that you can actually use in daily life. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, fluent English doesn't come from memorizing, it comes from using it. See you in the next lesson.